Hi students, this is yours Ram Narayana. Today I am going to explain you a simple trick to memorize the values of trigonometric ratios of some standard angles 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. For that, simply open up your the palm of right hand, on the little finger write 0 degrees and on the ring finger write 30 degrees and on the middle finger write 45 degrees and on the point finger write 60 degrees and on the thumb finger write 90 degrees, like this. Okay. Now coming to finding the values of sine, cos and tan, simply remember this technique. The formula to find the values of sine, that is root of number of lower fingers by 2. For cos, root of number of upper fingers by 2. And for tan, sine by cos, in other words, root of number of lower fingers by number of upper fingers. Okay. Now ready. Pick the little finger here, that is 0 degrees finger, and now fold this 0 degrees finger. How many fingers are there at the bottom of this little finger? No fingers are there, isn't it? So 0 fingers are there. Now substitute 0 in this formula. So root of 0 by 2, root of 0 is 0 by 2, 0 by anything is 0. And coming to 30 degrees, now fold your 30 degrees finger, that is ring finger. Now how many are there at the bottom of this finger? Only one finger is there. So substitute 1 in this place, root 1 by 2, root 1 is 1 by 2. And coming to 45 degrees, that is the middle finger. Now fold the middle finger, and how many are there at the bottom of this middle finger? 2 fingers are there, isn't it? So now substitute 2 here, root 2 by 2, root 2 by 2. In 2 there are 2 irrational factors. You can write 2 as root 2 into root 2, isn't it? So now root 2 gets cancelled. 1 by root 2 remains. Sine 45 value is 1 by root 2. Now coming to 60 degrees. This is 60 degrees finger. So how many are there at the bottom of that ring finger? Sorry, point finger. 3 fingers are there. So substitute 3 here. Root 3 by 2. That is sine 60 value. Coming to 90 degrees. Now this is the thumb finger. Now fold this. At the bottom of this thumb finger, 4 fingers are there. So substitute 4 here, root 4 value is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. This is sine 90 value, sine 90 value is 1. Now in the same way, to find the cos values, once again open your palm, and the formula is number of upper fingers by 2. To find 0 degrees, first of all fold your little finger, and how many fingers are there to upwards of this little finger? 4 fingers are there. So substitute 4 here, root 4 by 2, root 4 value is 2, 2 by 2 is 1. Now coming to 30 degrees, this is 30 degrees finger, and count the fingers on that ring finger. 3 fingers are there. Substitute 3 here, root 3 by 2. And coming to 45 degrees, this is the middle finger, 45 degrees finger, and count the fingers upon that. 2 fingers are there. So substitute 2 here, root 2 by 2. Once again, root 2 by 2 value is 1 by root 2. And coming to 60 degrees, this is 60 degrees finger. So now count, only 1 finger is there upon that. So 1, substitute 1 here, root 1 by 2, root 1 by 2 is 1 by 2. And coming to the last, thumb finger, this is 90 degrees finger. So when you fold this thumb finger, now count how many fingers are there upon that. No fingers are there. So that is 0 fingers are there. Substitute 0 here, root 0 is 0, 0 by anything is 0. Now coming to tan, sine by cos. So divide sine values with cos values. So tan 0 is sine 0 by cos 0, that is 0 by 1 is 0. And come to this, Sin 30 by cos 30, you get tan 30 value. Here denominators, two equal denominators gets cancelled. 1 by root 3 remains. And these two are equal values and their quotient is 1. And here 2 gets cancelled with each other. Root 3 by 1, that is root 3. And 1 by 0, that is not defined. Or you can write infinity. Otherwise you can apply this simple technique to get the values of tan, number of root of number of lower fingers by number of upper fingers. For example, if you want to find tan 45 value, this is 45 degrees finger. Fold this. How many are there at the bottom of this finger? 2 fingers are there. In upwards, 2 fingers are there. So 2 by 2, 2 by 2 is 1, root 1 value is 1, like that. If we want to find tan 30 by using this technique, so fold 30 degrees finger, that is ring finger, and at the bottom of this ring finger only 1 finger is there, and in the upwards 3 fingers are there. Now find their root. Root 1 value is 1 and root 3 is itself, that is 1 by root 3. So this is a simple way to find sine, cos, tan values using this hand trick. Got it? Now I am going to explain you one more technique is there to remember these values. Now count how many standard angles are there here. 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90. Isn't it? So totally 5 standard angles are there. So for that 5 you have to take first 5 whole numbers. Whole numbers begins with 0, next 1, 2, 3, 4. So 5 whole numbers are taken here. Now divide each whole number with 4. Okay, after dividing each whole number with 4, then find its square root. So whatever the value is obtained here, those are the values of sine. Now 0 by 4 is 0, isn't it? Root 0 value is 0. And root 1 value is 1, root 4 value is 2. So here I make a cancellation. Root 1 value is 1 and 2 is not a perfect square. So its square root value is itself, that is root 2. And coming to this, root 3, 3 is not a perfect square. So write root 3 as it is. And root 4 value is 2. 4 by 4 is 1 and root 1 value is 1 itself. So now check this 0, that is sine 0 value. Sine 0 degrees is 0, sine 30 degrees is 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees is 1 by root 2, sine 60 is root 3 by 2 and sine 90 is 1. These are the values of sine. Okay. If you write all these values in reverse order, you get cos values. 1 comes here, next root 3 by 2, next 1 by root 2, next 1 by 2, next 0. Cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is 0. And on dividing the sine values with cos values, you get tan values. 0 by 1 is 0 and 1 by 2 by root 3 by 2. Here 2 gets cancelled, the equal denominators gets cancelled. 1 by root 3 remains, that is tan 30 value. And 1 by root 2 by 1 by root 2, both are equal values. Their quotient is 1. So tan 45 is 1. And here 2 gets cancelled. Root 3 by 1, that is root 3. This is tan 60 value. And 1 by 0. So the division with 0 doesn't exist. So it is not defined. Tan 90 value is not defined. And further, if you want to memorize the values of cosecant, secant and cot. Cosecant is the reciprocal of sine. And secant is the reciprocal of cos, cot is the reciprocal of tan. Suppose if you want to find cot 30 value, so first of all pick tan 30 value. Tan 30 value 1 by root 3. So cot 30 value, its reciprocal. Reciprocal of 1 by root 3 is root 3. That's it. If we want to find secant 45 value, secant is the reciprocal of cos. So first pick the cos value, cos 45 value 1 by root 2. Its reciprocal is root 2. So secant 45 value is root 2. So in this way, you can memorize all the values of remaining trigonometric ratios cosecant, secant and cot. Okay, right. Thank you.